Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to fix Windows cannot connect to the printer operation failed with error 0x00006be. Let's go start. Press the Windows key and type in the registry, and click on Registry Editor into the search bar. Do you want to allow? Click Yes. Navigate to HKEY Local Machine. Then click on Software. Scroll down. Then click Microsoft. Again, scroll down. Please give a like and comment down below if it worked. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Then click on Windows NT. Then click on CurrentVersion. Then click on Print. Then click on Providers. Then delete the client-side rendering print providers key. Close Windows. Click Windows icon and searching the Device Manager, and click on the Device Manager in the search bar. Then click on Print Cues from the menu options. Select your the printer for facing the problem. Right-click on it and select Update Driver, must be Internet connect your PC. The best drivers for already installed. Click Close. Click Windows icon and searching the Run, and click on the Run in the search bar. Then type here is C:\Windows\system32\spool\printers. And press Enter. Delete all files inside this folder. Press Win+R, type on the keyboard. Type services.msc and hit Enter to open the services.msc. Scroll down, locate Print Spooler in the list of services. Right-click on Print Spooler and select Restart from the context menu. Close the window. Now restart your computer and back to client computer. Press the Windows key and type Control Panel, and click on the Control Panel in the search bar. Then click Devices and Printers. Then click on Add a Printer. If not a single device is shown here, click the printer that I want isn't listed. Select Share a printer by name. Enter the network path to the printer, // computer name / shared printer name as the port name. Click Next. You've successfully added the printer. Click Next. If print a test page otherwise, click Finish. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.